Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, it will be super easy. Alright, as you can see, okay, my bonnet is half open because it has an issue. What issue is that? Okay, every time I open my bonnet, right, it will go up, but it wouldn't stay up. It will slowly come down and just slam shut. Alright, so I tried it a few times, okay, and it seems like it couldn't hold it. So the first thing to look at will be the hydraulics. As you know, okay, when you open the bonnet, there will be two hydraulic springs, right, that are connected to the bonnet, okay, to the body of the car, the chassis, okay, so that it wouldn't slam it down. Alright, so my car is a little old, and you know the hydraulics are not working that well already. So I have gotten new hydraulics. Yeah, and these things are the replacement, okay, and you know it's just, you know, plugging in, yeah, and replacing it, and it will be a very simple DIY. I believe it will take less than 15 minutes. Yeah, so for this one maybe I wouldn't, you know, fast forward anything. I'll let you guys see from the start till the end. Yeah, because if I can do it and it's less than 15 minutes, right guys, you guys can do it too, and it's very easy and it's very simple. Yep, so for those of you who are new guys, please like and subscribe because we have a lot of videos like this coming up. Okay, some are, you know, DIY, some are maintenance, some are mods, some are silly stuff. I don't know. Yeah, so you know, I mean, it's my car and I do funny things with the car, so I hope you guys don't mind, you know, and go on this journey together. Alright, so guys, without further ado, we're gonna start this one right now. Let's go! Alright, so guys, okay, as you can see, it is super fast, okay, because we actually finished it, you know, in less than 10 minutes. Yeah, I have to check the video later on. I know it's super fast because, you know, once it's up, right, you know, you're just taking the clip off, pulling it out, and you know, the new one just slamming it in. Yeah, and I believe every one of you out there will be able to do this. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button. Yes, smash it. You haven't done it yet, I know, just smash it. Yeah, and drop down in the comments down below, guys. Share with me, you know, what else you want to see, you know, on the BMW or on your car. Yeah, what else you want to see. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car. Bye bye.